Hi there, hope you're doing great. I wanted to jump on today to talk about if you are having trouble struggling with a health breakthrough. It feels like you always start and stop. You can get on a diet plan, you can start an exercise routine, and maybe you're good for 6 weeks, 12 weeks even, but then inevitably it comes back around and you fall off the wagon. Then this is exactly why you get to join us. June 15th in the morning, I'm doing a masterclass, 5 things that affect your hormone balance. But before we dive into the tactical things, we're going to be talking about the number one health saboteur. And this is what I see. I've worked with women so many times, and it's like we get to change the deeper levels so that our patterns, our habits, our choices can be long lasting. Our health transformation, optimizing our weight, boosting our energy, having massive mental clarity and focus can be the new norm for the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years and change the trajectory of your health. So join us. It's June 15th.